art made with round stickers. Obliteration Room is at first glance unfinished. The furniture and small knickknacks are arranged to resemble the interior of a house, and the walls, ceiling, and floor are all painted a sterile white. Visitors are invited to stick the round stickers to any surface in the room after receiving a sheet. Kusama chooses the shapes and sizes of the stickers. An explosion of colorful dots eventually covers the pristine room and its furniture. The original version of the room was designed with kids in mind and is meant to be a representation of a perfect childhood. The look, but don't touch rule of art museums, which Kusama interprets as representing parental restraints, is discouraged in this area for kids. The stickers give kids a way to subtly disobey their parents by adhering to a piece of art. For the first time, Kusama moves away from creating a passive environment with this interactive installation, and instead creates an environment that necessitates participation from the public. One of the most important artists of the 20th century, Yayoi Kusama influenced many other artists, fashion designers, filmmakers, and architects in addition to Andy Warhol and Yoko Ono. His art is profoundly influenced by the artist's own anxieties and tumultuous past. The look, but don't touch philosophy is turned on its head by Obliteration Room, which welcomes guests as engaged participants in the arts and collaborative creation. What do you think of this artwork? Please comment below. See you soon in Art Theory.